2 methods to make your Android phone faster. At the top of your phone, click on the settings icon or open the settings app. Next, click on My Phone. This will take you to where you will see information about your phone, like device name and others. When you scroll below, you should see the option that says RAM. Click on it. Turn off MemFusion if yours is on. Your phone will then reboot automatically. According to Google, MemFusion is a feature that uses a portion of a smartphone's internal storage as virtual RAM to boost performance. You can see its potential downsides. Please click the subscribe button below. It encourages us to make more videos like this. If that didn't fix the performance of your Android phone, now do this second step. Turn off unnecessary notifications from your notification bar by following these steps. Hold on any of the notification, swipe to your left, and click on the settings icon. Please like and share this video. Click on Turn off notifications. You can also use this other method to turn off app notifications. Search for the very app you want to turn off notifications. In my case, I will be using Phoenix. Click on App Info. Next, click on Notifications. Disallow all notifications by toggling this off. You should repeat this same step for other apps that are sending lots of notifications. Let me know in the comments if your phone becomes faster after following all the steps in this video. Check out description. We have recommended videos that you might love to watch. Use the join button to become a member on this channel for premium tools and tutorial.